Today is a good day for open source AI. NVIDIA released Nemotron 3 Nano, not just the model weights, but the data, the training recipes, reinforcement learning environments. This is what, in my opinion, full openness actually looks like. So let's walk through what the model is, how it works, and why engineers should care about it. When people say open model, they usually mean just the weights. Nemotron goes much further. NVIDIA is releasing pre-training data, post-training data sets, supervised fine-tuning data, reinforcement learning environments, and the full training pipeline. That's what makes the difference. And this is a checkpoint for modern LLM training. Let's describe the model in plain terms. Nemotron 3 Nano is a 30 billion parameter language model, but only about 3.5 billion parameters are active per token. That's because it uses a mixture of experts architecture, so it's large but computationally efficient. Now, here's what things get interesting. The model isn't just a transformer, it's a hybrid. As we can see, it interleaves member-to-state space layers with mixture of experts layers and a small number of attention layers. And you can think of it as combining memory efficient sequence modeling with selective reasoning capacity. And why does this hybrid design matter? Attention is powerful but so expensive. Mamba handles long sequences efficiently. Mixture of experts gives you conditional compute, more intelligence only when needed. The result is a model that supports 1 million token contexts without exploding compute costs. Benchmarks aren't everything, but they tell us something. Nemotron 3 Nano is competitive with Quen 3 30 billion. It performs very strongly on math, coding, and actually agentic benchmark like SW Bench. That's notable because this isn't about just accuracy. People also report over 100 tokens per second locally, and that those are great results. And this section is almost unheard of at this scale. They also released a paper alongside this model, and we have every parameter here, the complete architecture of the model, and how to set up it. So it's quite complex for what it offers. This makes Nemotron a teaching artifact, not just a product. From an engineering perspective, this is very usable. You can run it with transformers, also on local apps like VLLM, TensorRT LLM, SGLang. You can enable or disable reasoning traces. You can tune temperature for tool use versus reasoning. This is designed for agents, not just chat. So why does Nemotron 3 matter? Because it sets a new bar, not just for performance, but for openness. If you want to understand how modern large models are actually trained, this is the most complete public data set I have seen in a long time. And that's a very good day for open source AI. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you want me in the future to explain this paper as well.